Hi, my name is Christian. I'm the founder of Uni. In 2012, we reinvented the category of pizza ovens. Ever since then, we've continued to innovate and push the market and our products forward. In 2017, we launched Uni Pro 16, which has sold over 50,000 units and is, according to Wired magazine, the best pizza oven. I'm so pleased to introduce our latest and greatest pizza oven, Unicaru 16. Over the next couple of minutes, I'm going to show you the incredible features we've been able to pack into this game-changing multi-fueled oven.
Unicaru 16 is a powerful multi-fuel pizza oven that reaches 950 degrees Fahrenheit or 500 degrees Celsius in just 15 minutes. The perfect temperature to cook true Neapolitan-style pizza in just 60 seconds. Out of the box, you can cook with wood and charcoal for an authentic experience. If you prefer the convenience of gas, an optional gas burner will have you cooking with the turn of a dial. After 18 months in development and over 2,000 hours of testing, this oven offers the most versatile Uni outdoor cooking experience and brings advanced technology to your pizza party. Unicaru 16 shell is insulated with a thick layer of ceramic fiber insulation and boasts the largest internal oven height and volume of any Uni oven. Take advantage of this increased internal space by cooking family-sized pizzas or large cuts of meat on the 17-inch wide Cordierite pizza stone. The oven's carbon steel outer shell with a high-temperature resistant, powder-coated finish offers increased weather resistance and maximum heat retention. This sleek body sits on top of folding legs with non-slip feet meant to help you keep your oven in place while in use. One defining feature of Unicaru 16 is this gorgeous door with borosilicate glass attached with cast aluminium drop-down hinges. V-Flame technology in Caru 16 helps you keep an eye on your creations and ensures that the door stays cleaner for longer, so you can see your pizza cooking while retaining heat within the oven. Cook with greater accuracy using the front-mounted digital thermometer. It measures the air temperature inside the oven as you cook and ensures you're at the right temperature for the style of cooking you're after. Fit wood and charcoal in the extra large fuel tray. The fuel tray is designed to hold more fuel at once and is optimized for efficient airflow and makes solid fuels burn more efficiently and maintain oven temperatures. A redesigned internal venting system allows for much greater control over the airflow in the Unicaru 16. You can adjust the airflow in the oven via the sliding ceiling vent and chimney baffle for total heat management. This means quicker recharge times for Neapolitan pizzas or a more consistent temperature if a lower, slower cook is desired for different pizza styles, roasting meat or baking bread. For the ultimate convenience and control, try cooking with the Unicaru 16 gas burner. The new Venturi caps give the gas burner advanced flame projection, allowing the oven to heat up to 950 degrees Fahrenheit or 500 degrees Celsius up to 5 minutes faster than our existing gas burners and recharge 9% faster between pizzas. The accessory port at the back of the oven makes it easy to switch between solid fuels and the gas burner. When you're done cooking, protect your Caru 16 from the elements with the custom-designed cover. The 100% rainproof cover has a super snug, elasticated edge and an adjustable strap that easily fits over your oven and hugs tight around the legs, providing protection for your oven when it's not in use. The Unicaru 16 multi-fuel pizza oven features our most advanced technology yet across temperature control, fuel efficiency, insulation and usability. All of these innovations leave you to focus on what really matters: creating great pizzas. Whatever you're cooking, whatever your fuel, Unicaru 16 delivers.
For more information about this game-changing pizza oven, go to uni.com. Thank you very much for watching.